Jack's just having a conversation with the green elephant. We got the bouncy seat all decked out. Even with all the lights and the music, his favorite thing to look at is this green elephant. Are you talking to the green elephant? Is that a green one? You see? What's that? What is that? Is it moving? Yeah. Oh, he has lots of conversations now. Loves to talk and talk and talk. What's this? What is that? Oh. Is that pretty cool? He gets so excited. Hi. Oh, did you find Mommy? Hi. Hi. What are you doing? Oh, goodness.